Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson DC08. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson DC08 has lost suction, you're not alone. This common issue can stem from a clogged filter or a faulty cable. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further damage and decreased performance, making your cleaning tasks much harder. Let's take a look at how to resolve this issue effectively. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver, a replacement cable, and a new filter specifically designed for the Dyson DC08. Ensure you have a clean workspace ready for this task. First, unplug your Dyson DC08 and place it on a flat surface. Using your screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the base of the machine. Take your time with this step to avoid stripping the screws. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off, revealing the internal components. The cable is located near the motor, and if you notice any fraying or damage, this is likely the culprit behind the loss of suction. To extract the faulty cable, carefully disconnect it from the motor by unclipping the connectors. Remember to note how the wires are arranged to aid in the installation of the new cable. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your replacement cable and connect it to the motor, ensuring a snug fit. Once connected, double-check that no nearby components are pinched or in danger of being damaged. After securing the cable, replace the cover of your Dyson DC08 and reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Make sure to tighten them firmly but avoid over-tightening, as this may cause damage. Once everything is in place, plug in your Dyson and turn it on to check if the suction has returned. If you notice an improvement, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Dyson DC08. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly check and clean the filters to ensure proper airflow. It's also wise to inspect the cable periodically for any signs of wear and tear. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.